Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to check the warranty status of this device. Now, to do this, you're gonna have to use internet connection, so connect to the internet, then open the web browser and the search engine and just look up HP warranty check. And find the official support.hp.com website that says official HP warranty check. Then you're gonna have to select the region of purchase from the list, then enter the serial number of your device into the following field, and to find the serial number of your laptop you have to check the back cover of your device, and right on the back cover you're gonna be able to spot the serial number of your laptop. So either write it down or take a picture of it, and then let's get back to the website. So enter your serial number into this field, and then click submit. And on the following page you're gonna find your device's Wi-Fi status. As you can see, for me the warranty has expired already, and that's basically how you check it. So here you can see the start date of the warranty, the end date of the warranty, time remaining status, and all the information that you were looking for. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.